Want to make passive income online without spending hours designing or hiring a designer? Here's how you can publish coloring books fast and start earning today. With Colorbooks AI, you can turn any idea into a ready to sell coloring book in just minutes. Just type a prompt like cute animals or motivational quotes, and the AI generates professional quality coloring pages instantly. You can customize them for kids, teens, or adults, and even create theme books like mandalas, holiday design, or fantasy art. No design skills? No problem. You can produce multiple books quickly, use ready made templates, and scale your publishing without stress. Once your books are ready, you can publish them on Amazon KDP, Etsy, or your own website, keeping 100% of the profits while building a recurring income stream. Thousands of people are already using this to create coloring books as a side hustle. Some are even replacing their full time income. And because the AI does all the hard work, you can focus on scaling by publishing more books every week. If you want to start your coloring book side hustle and earn passive income online, click the link in the description to sign up for Color Books AI and start publishing your first books today.